Hello everyone, today my little brother's gonna do yoga.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to do PE. Bye!
Hello everyone, today my little brother's gonna play a game called Who Am I?
Hello everyone, today I'm going to play Who Am I?
Okay, I am dark blue, white, and I don't eat humans. Who am
A
I?
dolphin.
Well done.
Bye!
Hello everyone, today my little brother's doing a test.
Today I'm going to do a test.
Okay, do you like the music?
Yeah,
What instrument can you hear?
a trumpet.
What do you think the song was called?
I feel good.
How did the song make you feel?
Happy. Bye!
Hello everyone, today my little brother is taking a test.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a test.
Okay, did you like the story?
Yeah,
What did you learn from the story?
sharing and fair and not fair.
Explain why you are important in the family.
I am important in family because I'm the youngest.
Okay, what are you good at?
Drawing,
Who would you miss the most when they're not there?
my older brother,
Why would you miss them and what would you miss about them?
taking care of me and playing with me.
Like Bristol Worm, how do you take care of your home?
Tidy and shiny. Bye.